What's good, everyone? So it's Newman here, and I'm back with another airdrop tutorial. So just like I told you guys in the previous video, we're in the bull run year, right? So this is the year that you can actually make a lot of cool cash with crypto, right? And one of them being airdrops. So as you can see, this is a confirmed airdrop by Enik token. So it's an Enik token airdrop, and I'm going to be using this Twitter thread. Every link will be in the description, right? Make sure to check the description for that. So it is basically 25k going to be distributed to the testers. I already explained what airdrops are in the previous video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just get right into it. So the first step, or the first thing to do here, is to go to this website to claim our faucet, right? Okay, so this is what the site looks like. Is having some connection with the Metis as well. So this place is where you connect your wallet, and then I'll be using MetaMask for this. I already told you guys to try and have a separate MetaMask account for airdrops only. So connect and then approve. So switch to network, and automatically you can see that we have been connected and our wallet address has also been placed there. So you tap on this and then tap on the drip, right? So you'll be sent some test tokens or facets. So success, and in a few minutes we should receive our tokens. So that is just the very first step. Right now, if I go to my MetaMask account, so we still haven't gotten it yet. It should be in a few minutes. So the next thing is to enter wallet, and then you claim both Metis and Enik. So we are going to go back and now switch this one to the Enik, right? And then we tap on drip again. So what it is that these are just test tokens, what we call faucets or test tokens, that we are going to use to be performing transactions on their blockchain network. So now moving on to the next one, the second step is to go to this website, scroll down and enter the amount. So they also include little videos here that can help you when you are probably not finding your way around. So we are just going to go to the site here. So over on the platform, you scroll down a bit, and then now you can see our Metis balance is 0.100, right? So that's what we are going to be using to perform transactions. So you shouldn't enter all that amount. I'm just going to use 0.01, and then you click on the mint and stake. So you want to check off these two boxes here, and then click on approve. So click on next, click on approve. Then it should be confirmed in just a matter of seconds. Right, so no, we are not going to go to their Explorer. Just click on the close there, and I'll go on and click on mint and stake. So you click the confirm, so you can see that our MetaMask just sends us a notification that the transaction has been completed. So you go to close, and then let's go back and see what the next step is. So now we are done. Since we are done with the minting, our next step here is to go back to that same site, and then we are going to stake Enik token, right? So we are going to click on this site, and then you just follow these steps right here. So guys, if I hadn't already mentioned, the reason why I'm doing this video urgently is because in 2 days time this airdrop is going to be expired, right? Or it's going to be done, right? So that is the 6th of March. Okay, so sometimes you have to use these short videos provided here. It's one thing about doing airdrops, right? You keep trying and trying several ways. So it looks like he scrolls all the way down to this side. Alright, so we go back to the site, and then you scroll all the way down. Make sure you're in the stake, not the withdraw, and then you scroll all the way down. Now you can see we have some Enik in our wallet, right? Our balance. So still going to use 0.01. Let's make it 0.2. Then you click on stake, and you want to approve. Then you click on next again, and then approve. These are some of the simple airdrops that you can find out there. Some tend to be more complex than this, right? And then you click on stake. So transaction should be confirmed pretty soon. So yes, the transaction has been confirmed. So we close, and then we go back to the Twitter thread. So the next thing on the list to do is to withdraw SE Metis, right? So go to the stake tab, and then click on withdraw, approve wallet. So let's go back and see if we can do that. This is basically the process involved. You check that, and then you approve. So in case you are doing this and then you are finding any difficulties, you can always drop a comment in the comment sections below. So that transaction has also been completed. Now click on the withdraw right below. Confirm. So transaction has been confirmed, right? So we go back to our Twitter thread, and I'm sure this should be the last step for us to complete. Yes. So you are going to unstake what we just staked, right? So it says to scroll down, enter the amount, withdraw, and then approve. So let's scroll down below here, and then you enter the amount that you want to withdraw. So we are going to go to the unstake Enik. So we just click on the unstake, and then we withdraw what we put in initially. So it tells you that the whole idea is for you to test the system, They usually do this so that they can solve and fix problems in the system. So we've just confirmed this one as well. Yeah, so very simple tax like that, and then you just qualify for this airdrop. Make sure not to sleep on this opportunity, because in a matter of 2 days it should be over and you don't want to be found wanting, right? So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe to this channel if you are new here. I make more videos like this on how to make money online, crypto trading for beginners, and forex trading as well. So make sure to be subscribed. And so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay blessed.